So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Okay, trust me on that. Let's see, Aquarius. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Sun, the Lovers. Okay, they are trying their best to cover it up with something else or someone else, to cover the pain that they're experiencing because of this situation with something else or someone else. It's like jumping from one thing to another thing just to not to feel the pain, so that they don't have to feel the pain, so that they are going to feel happy. It's like instant gratification. So like this person is feeling like they should not feel the pain or the loss of this situation at any cost, and they should just connect with multiple people, multiple energies, multiple things at the same time, so that they are not going to feel whatever they are supposed to feel in order to let go of something out of their life, out of their system. So this is somebody who is feeling they should refuse to face the reality here. They should be as happy as they can from their side with whatever they can, hmm? Whatever or whoever they can, and they're refusing to face the reality here, face the truth here. They're refusing continuously in this energy of no pain. What pain? Aquarius? Who Aquarius? Nah. I have so many people. I have so many friends. I have so many things. I have so many options. See, I'm very happy. Duh. Let's see what this person wants from me. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Two of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So they want to stabilize this energy between you and them somehow. They want to come to a conclusion, a stable, mature, practical decision here, grounded kind of energy between you and them. They want to talk it out with you. Okay. And they want to let go of the confusion, this on and off, in and out kind of energy of we are together, we are not together, we are sorting it out, we are not sorting it out. Okay, let's figure it out. Let's just don't bother each other. So they definitely want to like have a very stable, mature, and grounded kind of communication between you and them, so that you guys can let go of the confusion and this on and off, in and out kind of energy. So basically this person wants to have a very grounded, very mature, very stable kind of you know energy between you guys, so that you guys can sort it out for once and all, for good. Hmm? Because according to them, one day they are fine without you, another day they can't live without you, then they're fine without you, and then they can't live without you. Hmm. So that's why they just want to sort it out with you on a very practical and grounded level, so that they can make up their mind and act according to that. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. We have the Five of Swords, the Two of Cups, the Ten of Cups. Okay, even if their mind is going to continuously tell them not to connect with you, there are very good chances of this person connecting with you down the line, and not just connecting with you, giving you this offer of can we be together forever kind of. Hmm. Can we just stick around with each other for the rest of our lives? Even if their mind is going to tell them not to do anything about it, not to say anything to Aquarius, this is done, this is gone, this is bullshit, this is the worst decision, their heart is going to tell them to connect with you, and they are going to end up connecting with you, Aquarius, even if they don't want to. Let me tell you one thing, this person is pretending to be happy, this person is pretending to be very mature, very grounded, and they're listening to their mind continuously. Once their heart is going to take over their mind, they're going to connect with you, and they're going to talk to you about the future direction of the situation, about the long term. It's not like, don't get obsessed with the dates, sometimes it happens a little bit earlier or later on. So there are very good chances of this person coming out of their mind and connecting with you and talking to you about the long term. Now what you're going to do about it, it's completely up to Aquarius. You can simply say no. Yeah, see, you can simply refuse to connect with this person, this energy, if you know this person, this energy is not good for you, or not mature enough or stable enough to handle the situation between you and them. You have every right to do whatever you feel is right for you, for your healing, for your peace of mind, for your energies. You can simply practice detachment and let it go. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.